Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, first of all, people do not understand what is the aim of life. They do not care at the present moment. They have no distinction what is sinful life or what is pious life. But we may, what is called, not believe in these things. But things are there like that. Just like if you infect some disease, it will come out. You believe or not believe, it doesn't matter. Here our doctors have, he knows that if you have infected some disease, it will come out. So, we are infecting so many infectious qualities. There are 3 qualities, Satagun, Rajagun, Tamagun. And according to our infection, we have to accept a different type of body. Karmana Daivanetrena. Every one of us, we are working under the modes of material nature, and according to our association, we'll have to accept a certain type of body. Tatha dehandara prati. Unfortunately, there is no science, there is no college, there is no university to learn this science of nature, how things are going on. Prakriti kriyamanani gunai karmani sarvasa. Prakriti is being there. So, we are in this material world on account of this infectious condition. This is our problem. And we have to die. That's a fact. If you say that I don't believe in death, that is not excuse. Death must be there, you must die. So in this way our life is going on. So in the human form of life, we can rectify this. This is the process of Krishna consciousness, that if we rectify our constant association with different material modes of nature, and as a result of this association, we are accepting one body and again dying, and again accepting another body, again dying. This business will be stopped. Jadgatyana nivattanti tadhamam paramam. Somehow or other, if you become fit to go back to home, back to Godhead, Jadgatya, then you will have got to come back again. But they do not understand that this material conditional life is always miserable. They have accepted this very nice. Animals, just like in the slaughterhouse, livestock go down. There are so many animals, and they are going to be slaughtered. Everyone knows. They also know, the animals. But on account of their animal quality, they cannot do anything. Similarly, we are also put into the slaughterhouse of this material world. It is called Mrityulok. Everyone knows that he will be slaughtered. Today, tomorrow, or 50 years after, or 100 years after, everyone knows that he will be slaughtered. He'll die. Death means slaughter. Nobody wants to die. The animal also do not like to die. But they are forcibly killed. This is called slaughter. Similarly, who wants to die? Nobody wants to die. But by nature's law, he has to be killed. That is slaughterhouse. The whole material world is slaughterhouse. We have to realize that. And it is called Mrityu Loka. This is the problem. But they do not take it very seriously. Like animal. The animal, he does not take very seriously, and even if he knows, he cannot take any step. So our position is like that. Mrityu samsara sagara tisham aham anukampartham aham vakkayana jantama tisham aham samuddhatya mrityu samsara sagara. So we should understand our position. Nobody wants to die, but he is slaughtered. Again, he is given another chance, another body. Again he is slaughtered. This is the laws of nature going on. Devidhesha gunamayi mama maya duruttaya. We should seriously understand this, how to stop this slaughtering process of material nature. That is intelligence. Otherwise to become happy like cats and dogs, oh, I am very nicely eating, jumping, I don't care for being slaughtered, that is not very good intelligence. Intelligence is how to stop this slaughtering process of nature. That is being discussed. So, anyone can get out of this slaughtering process by devotion and service. That is stated here. Kechit kevalaya bhaktya. Kechit, that is not very common. Very rarely one comes to Krishna consciousness. Kechit kevalaya bhakta. Simply by devotion and service, one can get out of this dangerous condition of being slaughtered. Kechit kevalaya bhakta. And who are they? Vasudeva Parayana, devotees of Krishna. Krishna's name is Vasudeva. His son of Vasudeva. Therefore, his name is Vasudeva. So Vasudeva Parayana. Parayana means our ultimate goal is Vasudeva. Nothing. They are called Vasudeva. Vasudeva Parayana aghang dhunlanti. Aghang means the material contamination. We are always associating with material contamination. So, if we become Vasudeva Parayana, Vasudeva Sarvamiti, Sa Mahatma Sudullava, the same thing. Here it says Kechit, but very rarely. And Krishna also says in the Bhagavad Gita, Vasudeva Sarvamiti, Sa Mahatma Sudullava. Sudullava, very rare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare